Now, what we got over here is a typical heating system we use it up there in the Northeast. Over here, you will see the service switch, the one you know, on and off switch. This is your water heater over here. It's called an indirect. Okay, it feeds the water from the boiler through here for the heating part, and then you got like a big coil going around and around and around, and then go back out. Okay, go back out and go back out. I'm sorry, it fit down here, and then it go back out someplace over here, back to the return. This is over here the supply manifold. This is the return manifold over here. This black pipe over here. Got some cap over here. This is a spiral vent over here. Feeder, expansion tank. This is the unit called an MPO, one of those updated unit. This one over here is a low water cutoff. If for any reason that this thing go low on water, this thing will shut quick, saving the motor. Back here we see the smoke pipe, the flue pipe where the gas go up the chimney. It seems like a little funny over here because they have this wall. There was a wall, and it's between here and this white wall is just space. It's like a 2 feet space. It doesn't seem like it, but then the pipe go to the outside chimney. Okay. As you see over here, we also could see a large filter over here. We got the oil coming in, and you got the oil coming down from the ceiling. It's going a long way to the other side. This case, the customer, he didn't want to drill a hole in the floor, so he decided to go overhead with the oil line. Another thing is, over here, it's a takeoff control board. I believe it's a 507, I think the board is. And it's control, this box over here, control all these circulators over here. And that's it. Okay. Now, in the other part, we got what's called the oil tank. We got the 2 oil tank over here. This is where the storage, where the fuel, store the fuel to run the whole system. And in this case, we're gonna see, as you see over here, we're gonna see a 275-gallon tank. Okay. I strongly recommend the people. I see a lot of people up there. They got a tank. They're 30, 40, 50 years old. Please, you need to replace the oil tank. It's not safety for the environmental. It's not safety for your health. It's not safety for your house, because it's got something happen and you get a leak and you get 275 gallons of the tank. You know, you're never gonna get the smell off your basement. It's gonna stay there forever. The oil number 2, that's one thing that stay there forever. So it's probably you're gonna have to move out of the house. You know, it's gonna be a problem. So I got up there. I know sometimes, you know, senior citizens they can afford, but a lot of company up there, they got all sorts of plans. Where they could do that. You believe me, it's worth it. It's a peace of mind. You know, you don't want to go out shopping and come back home and find out your tank busted, and then you get 275 gallon tank of oil. You know. And the thing is, and today technology, they got this big truck up there. It's not like years ago. You know, they used to pump. You know, they used to pump 25 gallons a minute. You know, they connect the holes and they put pressure. Today's truck, they're high tech, and they could easily pump 60, 70, 75 gallons a minute. Okay, so it's a lot of pressure going to those tanks when the driver come outside start filling this tank. Okay, it's a lot of pressure, and it's a peace of mind. If you got an old tank, please replace it. Okay, and call couple places for prices and go with the best price. So I strongly recommend it. Okay, so that was the end of that. Okay, so now somehow I start talking about another thing where basically I want to show you over here. Okay, this is like a 275. You can see I even label over here. Now this pipe over here is called a crossover. Okay, this is called the fill pipe over here coming down. These two pipes are not connected. They seem like they're connected on this. Two separate pipe over here. But the way the picture are, it looks like it's connected, but they're not connected. Okay, so two different things. Fill coming over here, and the vapor goes out this way to another pipe. It's two different things over here. Okay, now this one is crossover. Now when you get delivery, your driver come over your house, get delivery oil. Your oil come through here, go down to here, and this tank get filled first. Okay, get filled first all the way to the top. When this tank gets filled, the crossover, the oil start going this way. They start filling this tank. Okay. So now when this tank, fill the tank up to here. And then while it's filling, this alarm over here, and the outside the driver, what I heard is this step is like. Now when that whistle stop, okay, that's when the driver knows both tank is filled. This tank is filled. So there's a deep tube about 7 inches deep inside the tank from this alarm over here. When the oil touch that deep tube, the whistle stop, the alarm stop, and that's how the driver know when the tank is filled. Okay, so in this case we got a 275-gallon tank, tank over here. Again, this is a crossover. And this is a 2-inch pipe, black pipe, 2-inch. Black. This thing over here was a wire hanging in there, so it looked like it was connected over here, but it's not. I just pulled it out. So